Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have this Steroid graphics PSD for you. You can use it, edit it, and use it as your header. Okay, so it's on my PayHip store for $9. Let me show you how to edit this. So when you open this PSD, you'll get this. This is CC version. Okay, you have to close this to edit it. Just open this up and hide this. Okay, hide this. Okay, now you'll see it. It becomes very bad. Then go to group 7, go to text 1, change this text to JSON like I did here. Don't worry, it will be better. And just get it to center, duplicate it, Control J, then remove all the effects from the bottom layer and rasterize this one, rasterize type, go to filter, other, minimum 24, go to 24, make it 24, and make sure to enable preserve roundness. And let's hide this stuff for a while, objects, and then just take the brush, black brush, make it solid and decrease its size accordingly, and just paint it over these areas like this. Okay, this one too. Now just disable this one and apply a gradient to it. Go to gradient overlay and then apply the gradient which of whatever color you like. I have did this one, this red to red pinkish one. Let me do this. Okay, done. Then just click on it, rasterize layer style, and then move it here. This this effect which I have on this steroid one, and then use this hue and saturation and clip it to this one. Move it up and clip it to this one. Then it will look like this. It looks good now. And then enable all the objects. It's better. Close the group and then press Ctrl Alt Shift E. It will take all the layers in the group and merge it into one new layer. Then convert it to right click and convert it to smart object. Then click on this camera raw filter applied here on CC and copy here. Press Alt and drag it, it will copy it. Now this also has the CC I did. Okay, now just take these two and take them out of the group which you hid. Fucking come out now. Now you are done with the CC. Now you can use it on your Twitter profile wherever you like, and you can change the minimum value I did here to make it look good. Like it looks pretty bad here, but if you change minimum value to 22 or something, it will look better. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Can we aim for 100 likes on this video? If you can get 100 likes, I'll upload a tutorial on how to do a text like this. Okay.